Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not downloading on your PC. First, let's cover some initial troubleshooting steps. Always begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. A simple restart of your computer can often resolve many minor software conflicts. Also, take a moment to verify that your PC meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, which typically include a processor from the last 10 years and at least 1 GB of RAM. Next, we'll try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as corrupted data can sometimes interfere with downloads. After that, it's crucial to completely uninstall Roblox from your computer, ensuring all residual files are removed. Once uninstalled, navigate to the official Roblox website and download the installer again. This fresh installation often resolves persistent download issues, giving you a clean slate to work with. Sometimes, your security software can mistakenly block the Roblox download. Try temporarily disabling your firewall and antivirus programs to see if that resolves the issue. If it does, remember to add Roblox as an exception to these programs to prevent future interference. Also, double-check your Windows Defender settings to ensure it isn't silently blocking the installation, which can happen without clear notifications. For more stubborn problems, consider running the Roblox installer as an administrator. This grants it necessary permissions. It's also a good idea to check for any pending Windows updates and install them, as outdated system files can cause compatibility issues. If you've tried all these steps and Roblox still isn't downloading, your best course of action is to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance. They can offer specific solutions tailored to your situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.